Hi, friends. This video is to go over week 13, day 4 morning work. So that's Thursday's morning work. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen, find that. Whoops. There we go. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen here and we're going over day 4. So let me get my annotate feature up here. And I want to make it a little bit wider. Okay. So we're going over these 4 questions that hopefully you did this morning, right? And the very first question is a table. It says complete the table, and the rule is multiply by 2. The rule means what are you going to do every time? It's a pattern. It's the same thing every time. So they did the first one for us. They took 2, they multiplied that by 2, just like it says at the top of the table, and they got 4. So that's what we're going to do with every single number. We are going to, multiply by 2. So let's take 3, multiply by 2, and we get 6. 4, multiply by 2, and we get 8. 5, multiply by 2, and we get 10. And 6, multiply by 2, and we get 12. Now, I did that rather quickly. I'm hoping you all know your 2s pretty well. And remember, when you multiply by 2, you're just thinking doubles. So 6 plus 6 is 12, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus 4 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, and so on. All right, the next question is 3 digits, 584 plus 381. So 2 3-digit numbers that we're adding. So I'm going to use the algorithm to add those. And when I write my algorithm, I want to make sure my numbers are lined up according to place value. The ones are the ones, the tens under the tens, and hundreds under the hundreds. So we always start with the ones. 4 ones plus 1 1 is 5 ones. Then we go to the tens column. 8 tens plus 8 tens is 16 tens. So put the 6 here, and the 1 up there because that's really 100. And then add my hundreds. 500s plus 100 is 600, plus 3 more is 900s. So the answer for 584 plus 381 is 965. Okay, let's go to the third box here. And I have 20 times 5, 20 times 6, and 20 times 7. So we're multiplying by multiples of 10. And the easiest way to do that is find the hidden facts. So I'm going to underline 2 times 5. And if you know that 2 times 5 is 10, we just did that in the table, actually. And then we have to add 100. So the answer for, oops, let me erase that. Sorry, let's see. I don't like the way my 0 looks like a 6. So we're going to make that 100. That's better. So 2 times 5 is 10, and then you add the 0 because you're not multiplying by just 2, you're multiplying by 20. The next one is 20 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12, and we add our 0. The next one is 20 times 7. We find that hidden fact in there. I like to underline it. 2 times 7 is 14, and then we add our 0. Okay, another way to look at this is you could say 20 times 5 is 5 20s, and you could skip count by 25 times. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. If skip counting by 20 is easy for you. But this is really the easiest way to do it by finding that hidden fact, especially when you're multiplying by 2. Okay, and the very last one are just 3 simple facts. So 3 times 6 is, can skip count by 6 3 times, 6, 12, 18. Or you could skip count by 3 6 times, whichever is easier for you. 3 times 3, skip count by 3 3 times, 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And then 2 times 8, you can double the 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Or you can skip count by 2 8 times. And so a lot of those you might be finding that you have memorized and you don't need to do the skip counting, which is great. Okay, boys and girls, that's today's morning work. I hope you found that helpful.